What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, I'm going to show you the way that I make turkey tails, or as my dad say, turkey butt. But anyway, so simple, you guys. I did it in the slow cooker crock pot, but you can also do it on the stove. So less talking, more working. Let's get to it. There you have it, guys. So simple. It came out very great and very tender, just the way everyone should like it. So stay tuned for the next video upload. The recipe will be listed below. Be blessed. Bye.